Alright everyone, we are back at CJ's Premier Car Wash, and we're gonna see, because I think that I see that their touch-free is open, so, and I heard from Ethan at Car Wash Channel, or formerly Utah Car Wash Channel, that it is a water wizard. So, I'll decide if I want to go through it or not. So, let's walk through it. Looks like there's a RV or something right there.
Yeah, it looks like
someone's using the Oasis.
Okay, so let's take a look at the other one's open.
And it is a water wizard.
Nice.
Let me hang on. Whoa, what the display went all weird.
Very good.
Anyway, looks like there's a junkyard or actually no, this is a I don't know, doesn't matter. There's the stop and go signs. Okay, that was just the other way. Underbody. Coming in, Searle Car Washes of Texas. Texas. Yeah, there's definitely a typo there. You see, look at that. Tell me if water wizards are supposed to do that. Oh, look. There's a wizard right there. Oh, it looks like this uses Pico dryers. Trifoam nozzles. There's the above thing. And then, power electrical panel, I'm assuming. Looks like the dryer timer's a little burnt out. And yeah, that's the water wizard. Let's go walk through the Oasis. See you guys in a second. Looks like no one used the water wizard for a while. Anyway, underbody for the Oasis. Then the actual gantry itself. There's bubbles up there. That looks nice. Brushes. Found out that these are actually made of Neoglide. Reminds me of Sunny's, because they use Neoglide too. But anyway, brushes. Looks like this one has the virtual treadle. Then the front brushes. Huh, looks like they use like protective paneling right there. Go, back up, stop. Top brush. First time I came here, this didn't spin at all. Here's the other brush. The newer Oasises that I've seen, that they have like a bar up here that tells you to like forward, stop, and back up instead of these. So that's interesting. Here's the slimline electrical panel. Here's the backup, go, stop. I think this used to be maybe a DNS at some point. Oh yeah, actually, there's points on the walls there. This probably was a DNS. Anyone, if anyone owns an Oasis watching this video, let me know if these systems are easy to maintain and if they're made of stainless steel, because I might look into buying one for my future car wash. So let me think of which wash I want to go through. Here's a look at the washes, which is super old. The basic for 5, 2-pass pre-soak, high pressure wash, high pressure rinse, clear coat, and spot-free rinse, just in case you can't read that. Then the Supreme for 7, underbody, 2-pass a pre-soak, rucker panel blast, high pressure wash, high pressure rinse, clear coat, spot-free, and power dry. Let me get up closer for you so that I don't have to read it out to you. Alright, now here's the wash options for the Oasis. You know what? This actually may have been a Ryko before. Well, whatever it was, let's go through it. Alright, here we go into the wash. Hope you guys can see that okay. Uh-oh. I think this one's had some issues. It says she's not even moving. Oh no. Now it says drive forward. Oh no. This one's gonna be bad. Oh, here we go. That was quite the fail right there. Let's hope the rest of the wash isn't failing like that. Alright, I'll be silent from now on. Why are the front brushes not moving in? Oh, never mind. Someone's in the dog wash. That's what that thump was.
crazy town. I did not
Back
know.
up, stop. Back up, stop. Go forward. Reminds me of GPS in the old
And there
days.
was no words. It was just beep, 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 beep. I had no idea what I was supposed to do.
Well, that is the Premier Car Wash. I'd say 7 out of 10. Good wash, but if the positioning system's not right, then there's a chance that you won't get your wash at all.
That's true.
So, yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. That'll be it.